Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the Etrade app for beginners. The first thing I want you to do is launch the app. You already have an account, go ahead and let's log in. And here, this is the account section on the home page. You can scroll down. By the way, you can go ahead and open a new account. We'll choose the Roth IRA account, okay? And then here you'll see an overview. You can of course scroll down and see everything. You can even come here, hit trade and search up, a stock, a symbol, a company. Can do call options, put options. Let's do this one, S&P 500, SPY. And, you can come here, hit trade, right? And just choose, everything right here. The order type, for example, whether you want to buy, sell, right? Quantity. So first you choose your order type. So you're buying, right? And quantity, you can enter that here as well. And then you can also use the calculator, see how much it will cost you for buying a certain number of quantity, right? Or you can enter the amount you have and it'll show you how much quantity of that share you'll be buying. And of course you can choose a price type, whether it's a limit, a market price. Okay, choose those. So enter the quantity and the term as well. Let's do good for a day, right? Then you have your preview and you can place your order. Can even come to portfolio right here, see all the stocks you own, and you can come here, let's say AFL, right? You want to sell this, so you hit right here on AFL, you click on sell, and then so order type is sell, quantity, you can enter the quantity right here. Okay, go ahead and choose that, let's say 5, market price type. We'll leave it right there, and then please note, okay, go ahead and hit OK, and then go ahead and place your order. Really that easy. That's how to do it. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button, subscribe to App Mentor.